Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to run a three-way switch. This setup allows you to control one light fixture from two separate points, which is incredibly convenient for areas like staircases or long corridors. Unlike a standard switch, a three-way system uses two switches and specific wiring to achieve this dual control. We will go through the essential components and the step-by-step process to ensure a successful and safe installation, making your lighting control much more flexible. To begin, gather your materials. You will need two three-way switches. These are distinct from regular single-pole switches and are essential for this setup. Ensure you have electrical boxes, wire nuts for secure connections, and the correct gauge electrical wire, typically 14 gauge or 12 gauge, depending on your circuit. Remember, the wiring will involve a hot wire, a neutral wire, and two traveler wires that carry power between the switches. Always include a ground wire for safety. Let's look at the wiring. The incoming power, or hot wire, connects to the common terminal on your first three-way switch. Next, you will run two traveler wires between the two three-way switches, connecting their respective traveler terminals. The common terminal of the second three-way switch then connects to the hot terminal of your light fixture. Finally, the neutral wire from your power source bypasses the switches and connects directly to the neutral terminal of the light fixture, completing the circuit. Safety is paramount when working with electricity. Always, and I mean always, turn off the power to the circuit at your main breaker panel before you start any wiring. Use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm that the power is completely off before touching any wires. Once all connections are made, double-check them for security and proper insulation. Before you seal up the walls, thoroughly test both three-way switches from each location to ensure your new lighting control works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.